Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 5 episodes, we are going to show you 25 tips for parenting your child with anxiety. So please make sure that you watch the other episodes as well. So let's get it started. 1. Please keep in mind that while you are not the issue, you do play a significant role in its resolution. Experiencing your child's anxiety can be upsetting, stressful, and perplexing. Every parent has occasionally questioned whether they are to blame for their child's difficulties. The first step in getting your child the necessary care and support is realizing how important and helpful you can be in their recovery. 2. You are not by yourself. There is power in numbers, whether it be through a support group, social media, or your local and state services. You may connect with services, create a feeling of community, and realize that you and your child are not alone by finding other parents who have children with anxiety and OCD. 3. Being unhappy is acceptable. Anxiety professionals firmly feel that it is one of the hardest skills for us to learn. Children are kept in a cycle of erroneous alarms when it is implied that their tantrums or traumatic experiences indicate a problem. By letting them know that it's acceptable to not be okay, you have the chance to serve as an example of acceptance. You too should know that it's acceptable to struggle as a parent. 4. Be conscious of how your personal stress affects your parenting approach and standards. Parenting a child with anxiety or OCD can be demanding, even though there will be incredible moments to experience. Take a break if you start to feel frustrated. Tell your child that while you want to help, you don't think you can do so without taking a break. You are not now a bad parent. Rather, you are now a more capable one with the opportunity to serve as an example of healthy distress tolerance. 5. You can both tell and exhibit confidence. According to research, it is essential to express your trust in your child's ability to handle and apply their skills. Furthermore, people frequently take notice of your actions and emotions rather than your words. Children who are anxious pay closer attention to nonverbal cues because they are continuously evaluating danger and uncertainty. You can highlight resilience and independence by acknowledging their sentiments and their capacity for coping with them rather than the dreaded outcome. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.